Hello, you're watching In Flavor with Shamika. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a simple egg drop soup. I have used a homemade chicken stock for this recipe. I will link the chicken stock recipe in the description box below. This healthy and comforting soup can be added to your meals in monsoons or winters. On this channel, I make videos related to food. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Let's begin our today's video. Let's have a look at the ingredients. We'll require chicken stock, 1 finely diced carrot, 3 eggs, 1.5 tablespoons soya sauce, black pepper to taste, some chopped ginger, salt as per taste. Let's keep our stock on the gas. Add ginger, carrots, soya sauce, black pepper, a little salt as I've added the salt to the stock. Give this a gentle mix. We'll have to bring this stock to a boil. Meanwhile, we'll whisk the eggs. I have taken 3 eggs here. Break the eggs in a bowl and whisk it lightly. Now our soup is boiling. Slowly we'll add the whisked eggs to the soup. Rotate the spoon in just one direction. Now let the eggs cook and it's ready to be served. The eggs are cooking for 2 minutes now and our soup is ready to be served. I hope you liked the recipe. Do keep watching In Flavor with Shamika for more such wonderful recipes.